there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for all things comparison shopping. Today, we have an epic showdown between two titans in the 3D printing world. On the left, we have the ELEGOO Mars 4 MSLA 3D printer, or as we like to call it, Mars 4 feet. Because, why not aim for the stars? And on the right, we have the ComGrow 2024 new version Creality K1C 3D printer, aka Creality K1C, because, well, they ran out of words and just threw in some letters and numbers. So buckle up, because we're diving deep into the nitty-gritty of these two 3D printing beasts. Let's find out which one deserves a spot on your desk and which one should be left on Mars. First up, let's talk about the price. Mars 4 comes in hot at $249. I mean, that's less than what some people spend on coffee in a month. On the other hand, the Creality K1C is a whopping $599. That's like buying a 3D printer and a small island in the Caribbean. So if you're balling on a budget, Mars 4 is already looking pretty attractive. Next, let's get into build volume, because size does matter, folks. Mars 4 offers a respectable 153.3 glass, 6x77.76, 175 cubic millimeters. It's like having a cozy apartment in the city. Compact but functional. Now, Creality K1C hasn't specified its build volume here, but with that price tag, it better be able to print a life-sized statue of yourself. Now, speed. Mars 4, you're great and all, but Creality K1C is boasting 600 millimeters per second printing speed with 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. That's 12 times faster than your average 3D printer. It's like comparing a cheetah to a sloth who's had too much to drink. If you're in a hurry to print that next masterpiece, K1. But what about print quality? Mars 4's 7-inch 9K mono LCD with an 8520 by 4320 resolution and 18 micrometers. XY resolution is like having a Picasso on your desk. Every detail is crisp and intricate. Meanwhile, Creality K1C's AI functions and upgraded cooling structure promise to keep your prints clog-free and perfect. It's like having a personal assistant that makes sure you don't mess up, because, let's be honest, we all need that. Ease of use? Mars 4 has a user-friendly UI with a 3.5-inch touchscreen that even previews your model. It's like having a sneak peek before committing. Always a good idea. But Creality K1C takes it up a notch with auto-calibration, auto-Z offset, and a boot-up guide as simple as setting up a new smartphone. It's plug and play, baby. If you're tech-averse, K1C's got your back. Special features? Mars 4 has a laser-carved build plate for excellent adhesion, because nobody likes a print that won't stick. Creality K1C, though, has an AI LiDAR scanner and an observant AI camera that recognizes spaghetti failure and foreign debris. It's like having a Terminator for your 3D prints. Hasta la vista, baby! Reviewers praise the ELEGOO Mars 4 for its high resolution, ease of use, and affordability, making it a great choice for beginners and hobbyists. However, some encountered issues with the FEP and base material. On the other hand, the Creality K1C is lauded for its print speed, advanced AI features, and ease of assembly, making it ideal for those willing to invest more for a premium experience. Some technical issues were noted, but workarounds are available. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for an affordable, high-resolution printer with a cozy build volume, Mars 4 is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge on speed, convenience, and AI wizardry, the Creality K1C is calling your name. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a smart buy. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.